Good evening, everyone. So, the company we have taken is Bajaj Holdings and Investment Limited. The members in our group is Sakshi Kher, Shrishti Tiwari, George Thomas, and Srirag Suresh. My name is Vedika Singh. Now, let me start with the balance sheet trend analysis. So, if we talk about financial assets, the trend shows us that the financial assets shows a steady increase from 10,431.61 crores in 2019 to 12,000 crores in 2024. What we interpret from this? This growth reflects the company's improving investment portfolio and its focus on increasing values through strategic investments in subsidiaries associates. Now, moving to the non financial assets trends, the non financial assets decreased from 613.90 crores in 2019 to 44.18 crores in 2020, with modest growth afterwards, reaching towards 480 crores by 2024. This interpretation shows us that the initial decline in non financial assets was likely due to the change in deferred tax assets or reduction in property holdings. Now, liabilities. Trends financial liabilities significantly increased from 35.64 crores in 2019 to 250 crores in 2024. This shows us the rise in liabilities, particularly from 2020 onwards, suggests that the company may have taken on more debt or lease obligations. Now, moving towards the equity part. Equity decreased slightly from 10.089.42 crores in 2019 to 10,692.49 crores in 2020, then grew steadily to 11,500 crores by 2024. Interpretations. This initial decrease in equity was due to factors like market volatility and dividend paid out in 2020. Now, moving towards the graphical analysis. Steady asset growth. The total assets of Bajaj Holding and Investment Limited have shown consistently growth from 32,774 crores in 2019 to 85,161 crores in 2024, reflecting the company's strong financial performance and expansions. Stable liabilities. Liabilities have remained proportionate to the assets, indicating effective financial management and a balanced capital structure throughout the period. Moving towards the income statement trends. If we are seeing the graphical analysis of income statement trends, what we interpret from this? Revenue from operations shows a steady growth from 998.27 crores to 3000 crores, reflecting strong operational performance. Other incomes significantly rise from 4.64 crores to 53 crores, indicating improved additional income streams. Now moving towards net profit. Grows consistently from 788.19 crores to 2,300 crores, showcasing effective cost management and profitability. Employment benefits expense increased gradually from 28.13 crores to 48 crores, reflecting expansion in workforce and scales. Tax expenses rise in line with profits from 1 to 1.45 crores to 320 crores, indicating an increase in taxable income. Now, further cash flow analysis will be discussed by Sakshi. Over to you, Sakshi.
Cash flow analysis. Operating cash flow for the year 2020 saw the highest inflow at 1,920 crores, driven by dividends and investment returns. A dip occurred in 2021 due to the pandemic impacts, but recovered in 2022 and 2023 with stable inflows around 1,700 crores. Investing cash flow. Continuous outflows across all years, reflecting heavy investments. The highest outflow was in 2020 at 800 crores, with more conservative investments in 2023 at 137 crores. Financing cash flow. Outflows rose due to increasing dividend payouts from in INR 536 crores in 2019 to 1,587 crores in 2023, demonstrating the company's focus on rewarding shareholders. Net cash flow. Only in 2020 showed a positive net cash flow due to high operational income. The other ways experienced marginal or negative cash flow, mainly due to large investments and dividend payments. Board of Directors. Neeraj Bajaj, the chairman of board. He has been a long-serving director and plays a pivotal role in strategic direction of the company. Madhur Bajaj, vice chairman up to 2024. He stepped down recently but was a crucial part of the board during the 5-year period. Rajiv Bajaj, managing director and CEO of Auto Bajaj and an active board member of Bajaj Holdings. Sanjeev Bajaj, a key member of the board responsible for overseeing the financial and operational performances of the company. Dr. Omkar Goswami, appointed in 2021 as an independent director with an extensive expertise in economics and governance. Auditors. From 2019 to 2023, the auditors of Bajaj Holdings and Investment Limited have been SRBC and Co. LLP, which remained consistent over the years. There was no major change in the auditing firm during this period, indicating the stable external oversight of the company's financials.
So myself, George Thomas, and next up we are going to discuss the gist of discussion in management meetings and analysis of annual reports. First up, we have got the economic and industry overview. The annual report analyzes the global and domestic economic trends, identifying potential challenges and opportunities for investment. With regards to financial performance, BHIL's financial performance has been positive, with growth in revenues, profits, and return on investments. Investment strategy of BIHL focuses on long-term value creation through a diversified portfolio and effective risk management. The operational highlights and achievements are provided, including material investments and disinvestments and other strategic initiatives which were taken up during the year. The corporate governance emphasizes on transparency and ethical business practices. Risk management. BHIL prioritizes risk management to ensure financial stability. Sustainability initiatives. BHIL is committed to sustainability and ECG practices, focusing on reducing its carbon footprint, improving social welfare, and practicing ethical governance. Technology adoption. BHIL leverages technology to enhance operational efficiency, investment strategies, and decision-making processes. With regards to human resources, BHIL emphasizes human capital development to achieve its strategic goals. Shareholder value. BHIL is committed to creating long-term value for its shareholders through dividends, share buybacks, and other such measures. The company reviews. According to Forbes, BHIL is primarily engaged in acquiring, holding, and trading equity and debt securities. Business Standards says that BHIL is known for its commitment to corporate governance and transparency, maintaining strong communication with shareholders. Economic Times believes that BHIL's strong balance sheet and diversified portfolio include significant stakes in Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finserv, and helped it maintain financial stability. Money control. Analysts recommend BHIL as a low-risk, stable return stock with prudent investment strategies and regular income. Value research. Value research says that it provides long-term ratings and analysis on BHIL, highlighting its conservative investment approach and focus on long-term value. Thank you.
So I'm going to talk about shareholding summary of this company. As on June 2024, promoters' holdings remain unchanged for 6 consecutive quarters at 51.46%, which indicates strong ownership and control over this company. And we can see the retail investor stands at 30.9%, which showcases that there's a strong public interest over the growth prospects of the company. Also, the mutual funds have increased their holdings from 4.8% to 5.16% in June 2024 quarter. And also, the number of mutual fund schemes remains unchanged at 25 in June 2024 quarter. But there has been a slight decrease in foreign investors and portfolio investors, which fell from 11.53% to 11.21% in June 2024. Over to the next slide. The promoter holding. In the last slide, we saw like the promoter holding was same for last 6 subsequent quarters. And here we are going to see that how many shares have been pledged. Here, only one of the promoters called one named Vanraj Bajaj has pledged their 334 shares on September 2021. Therefore, as of June 2024, only 0.06% of the shares are pledged. That indicates that there is a minimal risk of minimal financial risk to the company. Over to the next slide. We are going to see the peer comparative analysis. First is the market cap. Before that, we identified that there are like four main peers to the Bajaj holdings. First one is the Bajaj Finance, their co-parent company. Second is IRFC, as a government body. Cholamandalam Investment and Financial Company. And fourth one is the Shriram Finance. So first aspect is the market cap. So here we can see Bajaj Finance has outperformed all of its peers with a large market cap of 4.5 lakh crore, along with the second best of IRFC, which has a market cap of 2.2 lakh crore, and Bajaj Holdings has the least market cap among its peers with a market cap of 1.19 lakh crore. Second, we are going to talk about is the second aspect we are going to talk about is trailing 12-month P ratio. Here, Cholamandalam Investment and Financial Limited has a highest PE ratio that indicates there is a significant interest from the investors to perform in the future months. With a P ratio of 34.7%, 34 P ratio of 34.7. With the followed by IRFC with having P ratio of 34.5. And Bajaj Holdings had, as of June 2024, had a P ratio of 16, which sounds reasonable, fair among its peers. Third aspect we are going to talk about is return on equity. Bajaj Finance has outperformed its peers once again with a return on equity of 18.8%, followed by Cholamandalam Investment and Financial Limited with a return on equity on 17.5%. And Bajaj Holdings return on equity was 13.4%. So it indicates that it has a lot to perform with its peers to deliver the expected results for the investors. Thank you.
My name is Srishti Tiwari and I'll be talking about the dividend trends of Bajaj Holdings and Investments. The dividend trend of Bajaj Holdings and Investment Limited over the past 5 years reveals substantial growth and strong shareholder focus. Total dividends have risen significantly from Rs 40 per share in 2020 to Rs 131 per share in 2024. In 2022, the company reintroduced final dividends peaking at Rs 25 per share, although it decreased to Rs 13 per share by 2023. Despite these fluctuations in final dividends, interim dividends have shown impressive growth, tripling from Rs 40 in 2020 to Rs 110 in 2023, indicating the company's stable financial health and consistent payouts. This strong dividend growth highlights a shareholder-centered approach, appealing particularly to income-focused investors. Additionally, the consistency of dividend payouts, despite varying market conditions, signals Bajaj Holdings' robust operational performance. The company's attractive dividend yield further enhances its appeal, providing investors with steady returns. Now I'll move on to the bonus-based shares of Bajaj Holdings and Investment Limited. So the Bajaj Holdings and Investment Limited have not issued any bonus shares post-2008. The last recorded bonus share issuance dates back to pre-2008, specifically when Bajaj Auto Limited existed before the demerger. The bonus history before the demerger indicates that the company followed a regular pattern of issuing bonus shares during the 1980s and 1990s. Bonus issuances were typically given at favorable ratios ranging from 1:1 to 1:2, showing the company's commitment to enhancing shareholder value. Thank you.